what it is, YouTube. You know your boy Perry, baby. We out in these trucks, man. We out in these trucks. We out in these trucks, baby. We back here deep. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Truck life, baby. No, I didn't hear it, but no, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm following it, bro. Oh, they holding traffic, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Stop the traffic for us, baby. Let us come through. Let us come through, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let us come through, baby. Stop the traffic, baby. Let them boys come through. Coming through. Coming through. Let them rockers come through. Coming through, baby. Yes, sir. That's how we get down, baby. We stop traffic. That's what we do, baby. We stop traffic. Hold up. Stop the press. We almost here, y'all. I'll hit y'all when we get back. Oh, baby. It's a truck life, baby. God damn. We outside with it, baby. Yes, sir. We putting in deep. We putting in deep. We coming in hot. We coming in hot. We coming in hot, baby. We coming in hot. Woo! Truck life, baby. Yes, sir, baby. Truck life, you too, baby. Shout out to my boys got me coming out here because I wasn't gonna come, but they kept bugging me. First, bring that truck out. Man, alright. Alright, we gotta hit you back. I let my window down. You too, we have made it, baby. Man, let me give me some video going on YouTube.
You need some of this?
No, I got some of that. YouTube, this thing here got me, man. This dude is nothing nice, boy. Look, I'm telling you who else mad. Kendall. Kendall mad.
Yeah.
All that work. Man, I gotta work. Yeah, this dude is clean, y'all. Yeah, baby, ain't no music playing. I ain't gotta worry about no copyright. Oh yeah, I can go on video this. Give me a good YouTube video, baby. Drop down in the comment, like, comment, subscribe, man. Look at this dually. God, that thing is clean, boy. That dually is clean. Oh, we started. Y'all see ice out here. Man, this dually though, man. That's something different there, man. I can get a full picture of this thing here, boy. Hello, young man. I'm about to go on, quit playing. Go on, quit playing, boy. Go on, send it to the paint shop. About to go on, put it in the paint shop. About to go on, quit playing. Go on, put it in the paint shop.
Man, I know, right?
Oh, hello, y'all. Hello, Chris. What's up, man? You doing good, man? Yeah. Hello, y'all. Oh, hey. Yeah, you two time me go and put in the paint shop. Quit playing with it. Damn, my arm hurt. Get y'all back. All right, you two, I'm back. We can start the front row, work our way all the way back. Yes, but ain't like that dude to kill it, man. I love that dude. That dude is something different. I gotta go home and get my truck right, man. New tire, front alignment, put that little brake stuff on it. Can't believe I left my chair at the house though, boy. Sorry, I'm still in the bed.
That's 10. I'm talking about ain't no music playing, boy. Oh my God. Whew, that thing is clean too. So it's pretty clean too. Now this here, boy. I like that different stuff. No, he got that thing on the ground too, boy. Like that oil, like that tobacco. Man, this nigga got this block gotta be on the bag or something. Man, I close that around with his fender. Yeah, he got it on there, but that thing gotta raise up. Oh yeah, he on there bad. That thing gotta raise up, boy. Good me moving it. This rock is on the ground.
Don't tell him it's wrong because he'll drive himself crazy. You will see some people say.
Might as well break it down to 2 videos. The drive, then you must be the top notch cars up here, baby. They ain't been that long on YouTube. They ain't been out here long on YouTube. Couple of hours. Couple hours, me and Charles back on the way to the house. Like the color on that truck. That long leg clean, boy. Ooh. This one right here, though, boy. God. On the ground, boy. Gotta be on her bag. Whew, Lord have mercy. Turbo, this is twin turbo, baby. You don't got airbag too, boy. Twin turbo, boy. Got them customized fender wheels. Woo! Oh, this got let me playing. Ain't that loud though. Ain't that loud though. Look at the bed. Bill, how to what the bed for her? They got let me playing, but I can. I should we do that well, boy. Man, that thing is on the ground. How much? Shit. God damn.
Think if I brought my CG in here and had a guy over
Woo! That's a damn horsepower, that rock. Oh, yeah, let me shouldn't hurt nothing. But like I said, though, boy, it ain't for nothing, boy. Man, that shit hurt. That look crazy, man. Ooh, this thing clean. Boy, he need a dead stick with this thing, boy. Clean in a mud. I ain't gonna copyright that shit hurt. That little that shit hurt nothing. That's where my truck is. That'll do that. I'm talking about it. Hell, that's a nothing, boy. It hell, that's a nothing, boy. I like that. A lot of people that get that oil cap. I like that. I look for that. There we go, junkyard for man. I mean, car show for man. Get ideas, man. Can't go to the car, man. They ain't playing that music. I'm talking about it's LS or nothing. Man, you ain't got an LS, boy. You ain't. They got LS and everything. In there too, boy. Like those covers. It's clean. I like that different shit. That time it is different. Ooh, it's clean. Look at Ergo Suburban. See, that dude probably he love that Suburban. That's the best thing he ever got. He got triple twos on it. Look at the color on that rock, that boy. All of them, baby. Yeah, get all of them, baby. This Blythe Avenue here, baby. This Blythe Avenue here, baby. We took this spot over, baby. This the one, oh, this ain't the one with the coyote in it. Man, he got one with a coyote in it, man. He ain't bring it though. Well, got a coyote mode in it, that Ford. Hey, see? Drive it, baby. Look how dirty it is. Don't care. You drive them. LS. Big block, this rocker, boy.
Oscar's got it sold up, don't
Yeah, it ain't everything.
he? Right.
I like that color combo, boy. I like that. I like them valve color, boy. I have to break down, put something on the truck.
Dang.
I gotta clean my truck up, boy. Let me get some cover and paint that intake like that. I'm looking at that.
It is, huh?
I'm looking at YouTube. Make it some intake to put on my truck. And paint my cover the same color of my car like that. Just to dress the truck up. I got another LS by Aaron.
Either stay over here with me and Tristan or our person, one of them.
Tie your shoe up and lay before you fall. Tie your shoe up.
Come here.
You can help? You know how to do it? This thing is. Look at this, boy. This thing is. Look at, man, this thing is painted clean, boy. Yeah. That thing is slick.
Right there, they popping on there.
Man, that thing is slick, boy. Once again, y'all need it done, baby. All it off.
Look, that's it. I gotta get this.
That color.
Yeah.
Oh, you probably made that too. Yeah, piece of metal, you probably made that.
It look like it.
Yeah, you made that.
It's
Oh
nice.
yeah, that clean. Oh, I love it. Oh
Mhm.
man, I gotta get them covers now, boy. I gotta get those covers, man.
It's
I
nice.
gotta get those covers. I gotta dress up black. I gotta dress blue ice up now. Ice on up. Yeah, I like that. That and that. I gotta get that. And I gotta get
It's
this.
same. It's the same.
Hey. Got the same one I got on mine. I didn't take the same anything I got on mine.
Yeah.
Oh, you too. I gotta steal this. I did. Whoop! Once again, Oscars, baby. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, like that. Man.
Yeah.
Ah,
That color.
I like that.
It's
Who made this?
Mine. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna paint that one the same color my other car.
Who made this?
Both of these come off the internet somewhere.
Oh, for real?
These are welded in. This bolt's in.
Oh yeah, that plate.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I gotta get that.
We figured this was made.
We had to cut it out and form it to fit the radiator and everything, but it was solid. But other than that,
Got you.
it was
Okay.
already formed.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I gotta find that.
Tony would tell you maybe Vandino or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw them plate you can get. I ordered for my truck.
All the big holes and fenders up.
Yeah, I got this for my car coming. Oh, this for my car.
We took a spot welded them in before we painted it.
Yeah, so it won't come out.
Man, I like that.
Yeah,
Real good.
yeah, I'm still in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still in that. And you see, y'all got the tie hole, baby. Back to back tie holes. Back to back tie hole. It's. Woo. Suburban. God, look at this thing here, boy. That man, this rocker is on the ground. Look at the front end on that rocker. Wow, that's a chucked up. How y'all doing? Truck life. I got a Capri on that lid. Man, I'm about to bring it back to you too, man. Put the front end on.
Well, you got a C4, and then you got a Z70 or Z50, and then you got the Z06. You know, and you can tell it's Z06 because it has the wire fingers in the line, you know, and it's got the go down, you know, and the spread and stuff, and then the interior.
Look at my guy Aaron truck. Aaron got a big boy out here. Paper route. Where he at? Where that guy at? And you clean, dog. Mr. 72 in the building, baby.
We know, Perch.
What's up, baby?
Doing all right?
Oh, yeah, man. You?
I saw you pull in.
Oh, yeah, man. You know I was coming?
Looking good.
Oh, yeah, she good. She all right. Y'all don't even start working at the other shop yet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This last week was our first week there.
Oh, they're good. I'm about to bring the colors on back there, man. When I get through, put the front kit on. I can do everything to a car, man. I can't bleed no brakes, man.
You went there?
I can do anything to a car, man. I can't bleed no brakes, man.
Oh, really?
I can't bleed.
You need to get you a Mighty Vac, man.
Man, what's that?
It's like it's this little reservoir deal. It's got a hose coming off of it. You hook it to an air compressor, and you put that deal on there, crack the bleeder open, and you open it, and it uses the air hose.
Fuck it out.
Oh, dude, they're awesome. You do it by yourself.
I'm gonna look that up,
Yeah,
then.
they're awesome. Check it out, Mighty Vac.
Mighty bad. I'm gonna look at it. Man, I'm gonna load that route up Friday and bring it right to you. Man, I hate.
If you need anything, just let us know.
I got you, man. Believe me, if I can't do it, I'm calling. I already had my mind. I do not bleed brakes, man. I hate it. Oh, I look alive, see what it called. Y'all see it, baby. 72 Motorsport, baby. Only one touches blue ice or ice hauler. The only one I let up under my hood of my car. This guy right here. Nobody else. If I can't do it, I'm calling them. If I can't do it, I'm calling this guy right here. Off top, no hesitation. Boy, this thing is so room clean here, boy. No, he finna win. Right here is so room clean. They I should have read the fine print. I went okay. What the
Luckily, I hadn't been hit yet. I got big trees around my house. I thought worried me. You don't have to be a direct hit. I had some big old trees.
I know they're falling there. Some
My
pine
daughter
trees.
lives
That's from my account. The parking records are the thing you didn't.
man, this thing clean. Boy, look at the interior of this rock. Good.
You got to get this one.
No, that ain't coming. Ooh, wee.
I just texted him.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. That's clean up, boy. Look at that, I ain't tell you this. The difference, take this. Ain't less than nothing, baby. Got the hill like I got on mine. They got this flipped around the bottom. What the fuck kind of motor this bitch? Oh. Yeah, this one here got the, huh? Oh, yeah.
Hey, remember I pulled over there and there wasn't nobody over there. I was by myself. Now it's
Supposed to be 300 trucks here today.
I don't doubt it won't be it.
God. I know where you getting that. God. Hey. God. big that. Boy, look how big it is, though. God. Look how big that drive shaft. Man, look how big that goddamn drive shaft is. Look how big that drive shaft is, y'all. God. God. Yeah, I gotta dress that. I gotta dress that. Ooh, got that color too, boy. God. What color that thing is? I don't know what color that thing is, but it is pretty. Feedback. I ain't buying none of that crap. I ain't buying nothing. I'm gonna bring it to you. We got Nick. Good googling. Look at that thing. Maybe I got like a roach. Think roach are like that. Alright, truck it. Yeah, I ain't trying to win no contest though, but I may get these. I may look into them valve cover gaskets. I got the intake cover. Valve cover gasket, this right here, and them panels. I think I ordered them for my Cutlass though. I'm looking at that. This, that, yeah. I'm looking at that. I'm looking at YouTube. I'm feeling that. That rock look good. That's all you need right there. That's all I need. This, paint that and that. The same color my car. Oh yeah. You need to go paint the truck now. That truck slick too, boy. You need to go paint the truck that color now, YouTube. Color fit on mine though. Do I have enough room? Nah, ice all good enough. Oh, ice all good enough. I ain't trying to win no contest. I may get that plate though. I may get the plate that what's name sell. I'm tell you one thing, I'm finna sit down, boy. I'm finna still traffic seat. I'm like killing me. I can't believe I left my chair at the house, YouTube. Oh, let me sit down, let me sit down, let me sit down, let me sit down, let me sit down. Oh, wow.